So my service is a little bad. Where you at?
I'm at the studio.
Go ahead and set up the photography setup again so that we can work on that when I get there. What's up, family? Welcome to the day in the life of a black documentary filmmaker from the south side of Chicago. One thing I noticed is that I'm always documenting other people, and I'm never documenting myself as much as I really would like to. Like, I document myself and I do content and I'm on TikTok and I do things like that. But documenting myself high quality, doing it with class and taste, with intentionality, I don't do it as much as I used to. And so in this season, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pull out my camera, pull out my equipment, and actually document myself the same way I document other people. And so I believe a part of being a content creator and a YouTuber is not just about creating moments and making things go viral or curating things, but it's literally about turning the camera on and documenting the things that you're already doing. And so I think in this season, I really wanted to just kind of show you guys what an average day looks like. I have my own video production company. I got a great team. I have Terry, Spencer, Arissa. I just have a great team, and I just want to show you guys a little bit more of the behind the scenes. So right now I'm on my way to the office, going to Complex Studio, which is a studio that my production company partners with. And really, my first order of business is to work with my interns, get them set up. I have Deshaun, who's been in my business for the last 3 years. And then I have Harold. He also came through a nonprofit, and now they're still working with me. So I got to get them set up and get them going. And so that's one of the first things that I've learned is that you can't be a filmmaker and work by yourself. You can't really be a storyteller and just work by yourself. At the highest levels of storytelling, you have to work with a team. And so that's the first thing in the first order of business is getting my team going, getting them set up so that I can do things that will push the business forward. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in a few minutes when we pop up at the studio, and I'll show you guys where we're going to be working at and what we're going to be working on. Let's get it. Oh, wow, look who it is. Look who decided to show up for work today. The GOAT.
It kind of made it sound like I don't show up every day.
Yeah, man. You made it.
So, what you was filming?
I'm just doing a vlog.
Vlog?
I don't even know if the audio is really working. Yo, testing 1, 2. Oh, yeah, it's working.
It is?
Oh, wow, look who else it is.
Hey.
Both of the birthday folks.
Man,
What's up, man? How you feeling?
What's the word, dog? Man, what is that? Our birthday on the same day, man.
That's crazy.
That's super crazy.
What I got? Y'all got little birthday gifts.
What? This is from... Dang.
No,
I was gonna say, oh man.
I was waiting on this food and then got it to you.
Dang, that's crazy.
I got myself coming out the garage, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm like, I need to get more on YouTube because I used to document myself on YouTube a lot. Like I used to vlog and stuff. And then, I don't know, I kind of just stopped. I don't know why. If you focus on YouTube, then you could take all of that content and bust it down onto Instagram or Facebook. Because I feel like a lot of the comedians, even the podcasters, they all take the long form stuff from YouTube and they bust it down and then they just put it on social media. ZVE 10 or something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
Deshaun. Ah, what's up, Deshaun? We're vlogging right now. You know, trying to show the people what's going on. All right, well, Deshaun, you want to take that from him so you can so he could put his stuff down? Welcome to Complex. We in the studio. Of course, we got Deshaun, we got Harold, and we got myself. And we're about to get to work. Let me see. So I had Deshaun put up the cameras, well, the lights, set up a little photography backdrop so we can just, I don't know, do something creative. So he set that all up. At this point, Deshaun is a photographer now as well. Dang!
Screwed that up. Okay. Anyways.
Dang! Y'all didn't see? I'm gonna give me some water or something, and then we're gonna get started. Honestly, we got a lot to do, but you know, it's just another day in the office. So we got some client work that we need to get done. I'm gonna have Harold working on one of our client projects. Deshaun, he's practicing his photography skills. And then that'll free me up to do some admin, go after some more clients. I gotta prep for Bible study because I run Bible studies on Monday. So yeah, that's the vibes. But what I need you to work on today is that project, the MCO executive, where we was putting the text behind.
Oh, yeah.
And you said you was having issues getting DaVinci Resolve on your computer?
Yeah, it was not going on there.
So like I could help you get that on your computer too.
I didn't bring it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I wasn't home this weekend.
Wow. That's
I'm actually
cool.
working on it.
Yeah, let's do that, cause that literally, it's like overdue. So I need to communicate with the client. Boom. But hopefully we'll